Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the mysteries of Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is a place of wonder and awe, but also of mystery and danger. Many people have tried to conquer its summit, but not all of them have returned. Some of them have encountered strange phenomena that defy explanation, such as mysterious lights, sounds, visions, and disappearances. In this video, we will look at some of these unexplained phenomena and try to find out what lies behind them. Are they natural or supernatural? Are they real or imagined? Let's find out. One of the most enduring mysteries of Mount Everest is the fate of George Mallory and Andrew Irvine, two British climbers who attempted to reach the summit in 1924, 29 years before Edmund Hillary in Tenzing Norgay. Mallory and Irvine were last seen alive on June 8, 1924, climbing near the second step, a steep rock face on the northeast ridge of Everest. They never returned to their camp and their fate remained unknown for decades. Did they reach the summit of Everest before they died? What happened to them and their camera that could prove their feat? The mystery of Mallory and Irvine has fascinated many climbers and researchers who have tried to solve it by searching for clues on the mountain. In 1999, an expedition led by Eric Simonson found Mallory's body at 8,155 meters, on the north face of Everest. The body was remarkably well preserved by the cold and dry conditions. Mallory had a broken leg, a fractured skull, and rope marks on his waist, suggesting that he fell while roped to Irvine. However, his camera was not found with him. The camera could contain photographs that would show whether Mallory and Irvine reached the summit or not. In 2019, another expedition led by Mark Sinnett tried to find Irvine's body and camera at a GPS waypoint that was calculated from historical photographs and testimonies. The expedition searched an area of about 400 square meters, at 8,500 meters, on the northeast ridge of Everest. However, they did not find any trace of Irvine or his camera. The mystery of Mallory and Irvine remains unsolved. Another unexplained phenomenon that some climbers have experienced on Mount Everest is the sensation of a presence or a companion that helps them survive in extreme situations. This phenomenon is also known as the third man factor or the third man syndrome. It is named after a line from T.S. Eliot's poem, The Waste Land, "Who is the third who walks always beside you?" The phenomenon of the third man has been reported by many famous climbers who have faced life-threatening challenges on Mount Everest. One of them is Reinhold Messner, who in 1978 became the first person to climb Everest without supplemental oxygen. Messner said that during his descent from the summit, he felt the presence of a second climber who accompanied him and gave him advice. He later realized that there was no one else with him and that he had hallucinated the presence due to hypoxia, lack of oxygen, and exhaustion. Another climber who experienced the phenomenon of the third man was Frank Smythe, who in 1933 came within 300 meters of reaching the summit of Everest. Smythe said that on his way down from his solo attempt, he felt so lonely that he hallucinated a friendly companion who shared his food and drink. He even offered him a piece of cake, but when he turned to look at him, he saw no one. What are the possible explanations for the phenomenon of the third man? Some psychologists and neuroscientists suggest that it is a coping mechanism that helps people deal with stress and isolation by creating an imaginary friend or guardian angel. Some also suggest that it is a result of a split in the brain's hemispheres or a stimulation of the temporoparietal junction, a brain region that is involved in self-awareness and perception of others. A third unexplained phenomenon that has haunted many climbers on Mount Everest is the mystery of the green boots. The green boots is the nickname given to an unidentified climber whose frozen body in green boots became a landmark on the north side of Everest. The body was first spotted in 1996 in a limestone cave known as Green Boots Cave at 8,500 meters on the northeast ridge of Everest. The body was lying on its side, facing the mountain, with its legs crossed and its arms wrapped around its chest. The identity of the Green Boots has been a matter of debate and speculation for years. Some believe that he was Tsewang Palger, an Indian climber who died on Everest during the 1996 disaster that killed 8 other climbers. Others believe that he was Dorje Morup, another Indian climber who was part of the same expedition. The exact cause of death of the Green Boots is also unknown. Some suggest that he died of hypothermia or exposure, while others suggest that he died of suffocation or cerebral edema, swelling of the brain. The mystery of the Green Boots took another twist in 2014, when his body mysteriously disappeared from the cave. Some climbers reported that they did not see the body or the boots in the usual spot. Some speculated that the body was removed or buried by other climbers out of respect or superstition. However, in 2017, the body of the Green Boots reappeared in the same cave, but in a different position. The body was now lying on its back, facing the sky, with its arms stretched out and its legs straight. The reason for this change is also unknown. Some suggest that it was caused by wind, snow, or ice movements, while others suggest that it was done by human intervention. These are some of the mysteries of Mount Everest that have puzzled and intrigued many people over the years. Mount Everest is a place of beauty and glory, but also of mystery and horror. It is a place where nature and human spirit are tested to their limits. It is a place where unexplained phenomena can occur and challenge our understanding of reality. What do you think about these mysteries? Do you have any explanations or theories for them? Do you know any other unexplained phenomena that have happened on Mount Everest? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.